In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an SRT file using Descript. Let's dive right in and make sure your transcripts are ready for the next stage, whether you're working on a podcast or a video project with subtitles. Once your project is open in Descript, the first thing you want to do is ensure your transcript and subtitles are completely finalized. What do I mean by that? Well, take a good look over your transcript and edit out any mistakes you spot. Pay attention to details, adjust any misspellings, correct punctuation issues, and make sure the overall structure reads well. Another critical aspect is setting the speaker labels correctly, which will be really useful when generating subtitles for dialogues or interviews. It helps in making the text accessible and easy for your audience to follow. Now that you've polished your transcript, it's time to move on to exporting. Look for the export option, which you can typically find up in the menu. Give that a click, and up will pop the export dialog box. Here is where you'll decide what format to use for your subtitles. Navigate over to the Subtitles tab within this dialog. You'll see a couple of options there, but in this case, we're going to focus on SRT since this format is widely used and compatible with most video platforms. You may also see VTT as an option, but unless you have a specific reason to choose it, let's stick with SRT for now. Once you've selected SRT, you might notice there are some settings you can adjust before you save the file. One neat thing you can do is choose to show speakers in the subtitles. Enabling this will include the speaker labels you've set, which could be useful for added context when viewers see the subtitles. Another handy setting you can tweak is the maximum number of characters per line. This ensures your subtitles are easy to read, with no line being overwhelmed with text. Equally important is setting the maximum lines per card. This adjusts how many subtitle lines appear at once on the screen, allowing you to keep the view uncluttered and more visually appealing. After you've double-checked and adjusted these settings to your liking, you're all set to download the file. When you click Export or Download, your subtitles will be saved as an SRT file to your chosen location. And there you have it. Successfully exporting your SRT file from Descript is as straightforward as that. Now, you're ready to upload those polished subtitles to your video platform, or share them with your audience, enhancing their viewing experience with clear and professional text. Thanks for tuning in, and happy subtitling!